Hello friends, today I am going to start the interview series. So this is my first interview series topic, which is the multi different environments for testing. Okay, so in this topic environment, we will come across the multiple environment that is used for testing in the organization, and you must be aware about it each and every environment very clearly before going for an interview. Okay, so these are the basics. So there is a development environment which is provided to the developer. They play with their code, they do the deployment, R&D, anything, and do the testing, and this is for the dev testing. There is a test or QA environment. This is for the tester to test the functionality deployed by the developer. Okay, so there is multiple test environment in the organization so that every tester can test their test cases for different functionality or different environments, like different test environments. Okay, and smoke testing is also done by developers on this environment also. Another is the SIT environment. SIT environment is the system integration testing. This is for end-to-end testing. Suppose a functionality is using external services and we want to verify external services are getting proper response, providing proper response to work our functionality properly. So in that case, we want to check end-to-end functionality, end-to-end testing. Okay, so that time SIT environment comes into the picture. So for some projects, they do not use the QA environment, but they have the SIT environment only to test the functionality. Okay, another is the staging environment or pre-prod environment. This environment is similar to production environment to ensure the software works correctly. Staging environment comes before the UAT testing always. So in the some projects you will find there is no QA environment, test environment, but they have a staging environment only to test the functionality. Okay, this is much similar to the production environment. Okay. UAT environment is the user acceptance testing. This environment is also similar to production environment to ensure the software works correctly, but from the end user perspective. Okay, so suppose staging and UAT both are much similar, but only in the UAT testing, UAT environment is like a final testing that is done by the developer to ensure that everything is working perfectly fine as per the end user perspective. Okay, this is also used for the hotfix deployment and testing. What is hotfix? Sometimes final code is deployed on the production environment. Still, there are some issues reported by the end user or someone reported any bug on the production environment. That case, hotfix is done. In the hotfix, what happened? Developer do the fix and deploy the fix on the UAT environment. Tester do the testing on the UAT environment. If everything goes fine, then the deployment done on the production environment. That is the UAT. That is the hotfix deployment that is done on the UAT environment. Production environment is the final environment available to the end user for public use. Okay. So production environment have two environments, or you can say two servers, blue and green. So what is blue and green? Blue and green basically deployment strategy, not the servers or not the environment, but we can call it as an environment. Okay, so this in this strategy, what happened? First, blue comes in the picture, then green. So in the blue, first the deployment where the new code is deployed on the blue environment. So once we deploy the code on the blue environment, before that we redirect all the live traffic, redirect to the green environment, green server, and green server is running the current or the working software. Okay, that's why all the live traffic is redirected to the green environment, and the new feature, or you can say a new deployment, is done on the blue environment. Okay, once the deployment is done on the blue environment, which is successful, then what we will do, we will redirect all the live traffic to the blue environment, which is running the new version or the new code, and we start the deployment on the green environment. Once both the environment has successfully, once the deployment is done on both the environments, blue and green, then we will live the traffic on both the environments. Okay, and that's all about the blue and green environment. And you can comment me on the comment section if you have any topic that you want me to clarify or make a video, or just give you an update about that, like basics. How, like, if you want any clarity on these topics, you can let me know, and I will try to create a video or some document on that. And I will also like put all these uh, all these content on the description box also. Okay, and I think that is done from my side. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.